That's why when I watch the race, me I say, yo, who else to run the third leg?
True.
That's all me say. Who else to run the third leg, bro?
True.
Levell span the third leg there.
Yeah, man.
Is a yo. It's a win, plus me think say some records on the shirt. You know what I mean? I say, man could have get the job done long time. And they are going easy and if you run so hard, brother.
Like your dog overthink.
I overthink, brother. You know, see what go on. Brother, I can't believe this, I know.
Midweek. And I be things that go on midweek, brother. Skip all of that.
Yeah.
What we want to talk about first?
We want more.
Yo, you say what about Ashanti first?
We want more.
We want more, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Indeed.
Bro, piece of thing going down.
What going?
No. More level.
Oh, more level.
Brother.
Yeah, man.
You want to start with the girl?
Yeah, man. Of course. Hey, you know, yeah.
Let's see what that shit is. What's your 22?
Sure, no.
22-3-0.
Yeah.
Brother?
I'm at
22-3-1.
I'm not 10-90.
10-9-4.
10-9-4, yeah.
Brother.
So, yo, tell you again in that.
Yeah.
Yo, the progression what she did on right now, she in a tip-top shape.
Only
thing me that say still, we based on watch her race and something. She just need to just work on her finish. Yeah, that's a finish. I mean, she have control of the race from the start to the middle to the end, but she just need for us. Because she did deaccelerate. Yeah. But she's strong. She's super strong, bro. And if you run back-to-back PR right now, she in tip-top. Hey, she's someone to watch.
Brother.
Right now, her confidence level right now, they're on a... If I mean like her right now, I go back, go in a world times right now. No?
Yeah.
Easy go.
We talk about brother, if I just get that, brother.
No, man. Yeah,
I just get that, bro.
Brother, me tell you, it hurt my heart if you say nothing. If I want a year upon his foot, hot him right now, for sure.
And that now.
Alright, but we want more. Yeah, more is coming.
Big up yourself, Ashanti.
Yeah, man, tough.
You call it first. You call it for a long time, so you know you have to talk about it first.
Yeah.
You see me? Ladies before gentlemen. All the while.
But she go give us something more special. May I tell you, like, when the World Champs kick off, bro?
Yeah.
May expect more?
Yep. No pun intended. No pun intended. No, but big man thing, bro. She a roll up in great time, brother.
Yeah.
In great time.
Yeah.
Great time, brother. I'm not lie. You know where this Valentine still, bro, man. Tell her, bro.
Brother, I can see it, brother.
Yeah.
Friend, when she come back on the scene, that's what I say. Just give her a couple more time, brother.
Yeah.
Because the way I see her, and she never fine tune it. She just come from a return, bro. You see me? She just need to get some race under her belt, brother.
Fox.
And she start put it on wicked, brother.
Fox.
And give them more. So we get more.
Yeah. Big up yourself, Ashanti.
Big up, man, mama, man. Just go on, do it, man, and keep your head up, man, because more is there to accomplish.
Yeah, man.
No pun intended.
Like, you want to drop the word. Yo, but big man, big up yourself, you see me? I have to talk about Ashanti more. I have to talk about Ashanti because I feel girl from day one.
Yeah.
You look like you're ready for betting money, you see me?
Right now.
Right now. Level, bro.
Levels to this.
Level. Bro. Dog. You serious?
Yo, I watch the race. That's why when I watch the race, I say, yo, who else to run the third leg?
True.
That's all I say. Who else to run the third leg, bro?
True.
Levell span the third leg there.
Yeah, man.
Is a it's a win, plus me think say some records on that shirt.
You did say it earlier, no?
Yeah.
I'm never believe you know.
Brother, I tell
yeah.
Bro. I think it take boy for run that, brother. I don't know, boy time man go, they could put on a running. Yo, the man in a man the farm.
Brother, but I basically some like we did say last week, you know that we I say, yo, don't watch all the people them look.
Yeah.
I say a week before, you
know,
yeah.
Yeah.
You know, look so snappy.
Yeah.
And like you man go watching and hear.
Yeah, man.
Back with a banger.
Yeah, man, get out there, man. Brother. Man, come on. Bro, when me feel say man, he go start deaccelerate and think, me just see man just open up your feel, brother.
Bro.
I say, alright, the killer.
Yo.
You can see saying they have something to prove. Me think say he still have more in I tank.
Yeah.
He want to make a statement or go in a world champs and statement made. Definitely, man.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, bro.
On watch out.
Yeah.
Jamaica is back.
That we never left. But I don't want to say, yo, I'll always see it too. I third fastest time by a Jamaican ever in that.
Yeah.
Eclipse one we're in a brother.
Yeah.
You see me, dog? Last time we see this with both them in a brother. Dog, this is amazing, bro.
Bro.
Big man thing.
Yeah.
Big man thing, yo.
Me not even know what to say about it, man, brother.
Spectacular. Amazing.
Bro, every race you watch the man, you can just see the progression, bro. You can see the man that go back on the drawing board each and every week, and I put in the work what I need for work, pan.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
That's why I say, yo, we can't let him off fight third leg, brother.
Yeah.
You get me? Me not see who else.
Yeah.
When me see man run the curve, bro, it give me when both did run the third leg, brother.
Remember that year, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Bro, that's all me see, bro.
So you stick to your team.
Oh, you mean solid, brother? That team there with Levell Panny.
Yeah, man.
Crazy work, brother.
I might tell you something, bro.
Man, tell you, brother. Yo, the man them run. Blake run good too, you know.
Yeah.
Blake run good. You know what I mean? I say, who else win there? Something. What are you doing?
Kishin did run 994. Or not that one.
Me I jump pick on. Alright,
go through, man. Go through.
But for the 100 meter, although Blake run 10:04.
10:04 in run.
10:04. That was a good race, you know, based on the condition. They're running a winner, you see me?
Yeah.
But we just not see no place on the team for Blake, bro. You have to understand, bro. Like, me not see.
I understand what you're saying, but fear is fear, bro. You see me? You man get to that.
I understand. Yeah.
So you kind of have to kick off your man for your man. Me that love is level by team. Me not grow now.
Right now, bro, it's a medal me want, you know, brother. So who can carry me medal? I'm not too business who want run, you know. Big one thing there, and it's a medal we are different.
Yeah, take fear out that, bro.
Yeah, man, a medal, bring a medal home. Yeah. You see me?
For real.
You still go get a medal even if you're upon a alternative.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, true.
You go get a medal.
Get a run still, you see me?
Yeah. Brother, right now, me not even feel say they need to play it safe going in, bro. Send out the A team.
No, you can't.
Bro, A team, bro.
Can't send out the A team, bro.
Brother, me now want to road. Yo, when it come on to you, really, you know, bro. It's very sketchy, you know, bro. You have to sit down and afraid and hope say, yo, you know, run out as one. Make sure no man not run left a button. You have to just make sure say the button go round.
That's true.
Me no want to play no games with some other man or company team. And I say, boy, we don't know what can go. I want to see one team and say, yeah, man, finals.
Yeah.
And roll screw. But if they even be that team, they don't have to go. You ain't gonna go, they go simple drag on a nice 37.
Yeah, man. It hot, me not lie. It look more and more. It look like say, yo, we can get the goal.
Yeah.
Or we all get the goal. Like,
yeah.
Not lie. But big man thing, Levell, Ashanti more.
I
want to really and truly come here today. Cause I know we normally come on the weekend, but we have to get this out.
Yeah.
Brother. No, bro. That's special, brother.
Yeah, very special.
Very special.
Very special for two very special people.
Yeah,
no jokes.
And I'm young too.
Yeah.
So we even more love and embrace it, brother. Believe you with me.
Yeah, me love it. Me love the direction where he's sprinting. I go with both on the male and the female side. Me did see Shelly run today too.
Yeah.
Shelly.
True. Yeah. Tia.
Elaine run too?
No, Elaine.
No, not Elaine. Somebody else in the race, man. I treat Jamaican run now.
They are slowly in the race, you know. Crystal slowly, I think.
Yeah, but nevertheless.
Yeah.
That seemed like I want look a season up, my for Shelly.
Yeah. Sherika
Jackson. Yeah, Jacko. Yeah, see me.
Tina, my bad.
Yeah.
Tina, Sherika, Shelly. Yeah.
So even that a good time them run.
Yeah.
That was just a hot race.
Yeah.
You get me?
Big up the 38-year-old. What's your name?
Talo.
Hallelujah. Bro.
Yo.
Man, go out there and stamp our class, believe.
Yeah. You know, say, me not think she ever miss a final yet, bro.
Yeah, but she never get a medal either.
Brother, you know, come up against the Jamaican them, bro. Yeah, I just know say you can't get the medal, bro.
She just beat them?
Yeah. In season.
True, alright.
In season, bro.
It no matter.
Yeah, it no matter, man. Right now, when we're ready and we show up. Right now, when you see so much Jamaican line up in a lane and you stay so, I go cross. I say, Jesus.
God.
I say, liquor Caribbean.
Fox, man.
I'm there from Africa, from the big continent to line up against the liquor Jamaicans.
The amount of people no matter at all.
But she good run for your age and something.
Yeah.
I mean, they want the dedicated to his sport though, like very dedicated. Because I buy that and them and that things every pocket up, bro.
I tell her.
You see me?
But she had it for her purpose. She had it probably for her own cause, really. And true, you see me? But we appreciate it, really. And true. We love to see like our legends still a compete, brother. You see me? And I beat the younger them.
Yeah.
You see me? So it's not like a case where you say, yo, we just have age, but we are look rough out there, brother. We actually still a compete. You see me?
Alright, bro. Alright. So when we first start discussing, you know, when we say Alien Shelly, if we just pack it up and just rest away there.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
It's a good thing, you know. Say transition did it for younger athletes and we can replace her. Cause see the Tina, them a go crazy. The twin them a go crazy. You still have Jacko did it. You still have a younger version. You have a couple more to follow. You see me? But for her right now, the legacy where she have right now, when she did it, just pack up it, bro. And me not forget they get whoop by the little kids.
She get Richard money on her wrist, dog. I forgot to go run, bro.
Me not care about no Richard money, bro.
You mean, bro?
Man want medals, bro.
He's our sponsor, bro.
So because they get Richard Millie, I forgot there.
Probably not contract, she have to compete.
The last time.
Maybe. Nothing is a gear free watch so.
But I'm for marketing purpose that.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Yeah.
I would assume so you that me a give you the watch. If you go compete, just like both with Hublot or you have to compete. Because I believe they have, you see Richard too, you know, brother.
Yeah.
You see me? So you have to compete. You see me?
I guess.
If all else fails, you can sell your watch. Because you know, say your watch work, you see 200,000.
Yeah, hold it. But me didn't want she just left off on a high note. I know, me understand I want season opener. It's a great season opener.
Yeah.
And we know Shelly's a person, she's a fighter.
Yeah.
She can get up any given day when she put on that coloured wig and just go put work. On the pocket rocket. You see me? Yeah. But she are working herself back.
Yeah.
Want her to get a medal, but right now medal content on them for Thompson and woman, bro, they look very sticky, bro.
True.
It look very sticky.
But anything can play, brother.
Yeah, any games can play. Yeah, man.
Any card can play.
Me so give a prediction for my top 8.
Yeah, top 8?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean by time.
We say why, yeah. Me go.
Yeah. Another person of the quarter still did talk about, you know, you say Pachi, you know, you say Pachi pack it up and Pachi run today I run good.
Yeah.
Today I run what? 13-2-4.
Yeah, that not bad.
That not bad.
Yeah, well, alright. One thing about Pachi. Me rate Pachi, bro. You see me?
Yeah.
But right now, I think that Pachi can apply it and manage the pressure when they're younger.
Just run 13.
That today, bro. What in who in the denial race?
Orlando didn't race too. Orlando were 13-3-2 and a 15 get too.
15 get
second, yeah, dog.
Watch I teach you win.
Nah, man, I never teach win.
This race, man. Who win the race?
Yeah, I teach to do it, man.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, more serious, yeah. I mean, a fairly good run, bro.
I teach our world leader.
Right now with the 13-2?
No, I don't think we decided 13. He running early in the year, I think.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Okay. But with the one thing, you know, with the hurdles, it's so unpredictable, you know, brother.
True.
I mean,
mental.
Yeah. I think that not makes it. This is a short man and fly over hurdles get it all over there, you see me?
So, see me in Orlando, my club.
Yeah.
Man in my run, yeah. But I'm glad to see Pachi out there run, and I run competitive times. Because we see him really nice. Well, not really nice in trials them time there. Never look too good.
The question is, can he stay consistent?
He's a big day performer.
He's a big day performer.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. So, alright, you bring it to shoulder one place right now. 13-2.
Yeah.
Zane? Me no want to see no 13-5, 13-6 right now, brother.
So, alright, I don't like that, brother.
No.
What day you come say, yo? the traveling thing and all this,
yeah.
Brother. I know you say you don't want to see that.
I don't want to see that right now.
You can't see that,
He and that whole heap of race already, man.
Which whole heap of race? He want Bailey run, dog.
Really, I run,
Bailey. Pachi Bailey run, bro. Bailey run this year. Bailey.
Well.
Yeah, Bailey.
More. For your veteran.
Yeah. The veteran for give him some grace. The veteran for give him some grace.
Get some
to a good time, bro.
Give him some last score.
Alright. That's cool. That's cool.
What good run do, my boy?
Yeah.
But me just, alright, you know my perspective when it come on to if veteran them in business, it's just hard for watch them lose. You watch them win so much.
Yeah.
Like say, dang, you know what I say? Me just don't want to see them lose, you know.
I understand, man.
Yeah, I just that.
I understand what you say, bro. What I say, bro, like. It's good to see them out the same way.
Yeah.
Still a compete.
Yeah.
Bro,
and a good time that, you know, don't get me wrong.
Yeah, bro.
Good time. But me just don't want to see them lose, man.
Yeah. No, me agree.
Yeah. I say, yo, when it come to one point, say, yo, I go and protect all this, you know, what me earn out of sport already.
Yeah.
Me just want to protect it to a next level. True. And come in 1 year. Because you're only good as your last performance, you know, brother.
13 to a good performance.
Yes, but we see is a goal. Like, for instance, you want to retire up on a high note.
Yeah.
That may be the reason. Retire up on a high note.
I'm going to give a good scenario then. Bold pull up on the last race.
Bold, they can definitely get grace.
Come on.
No.
Come on,
bro.
You just say.
But Bold, when Bold barely lose.
Regardless, you say legacy, brother.
Yeah.
The man finished third and he pull up. Literally in last race, man make a song off fight, brother.
He get medal though.
True.
A medal.
True.
It was a pretty, you know what, it hard for God to meet go earn a medal. We get something. You know me I say.
True. So you say, you know like when legends them go and not get nothing.
Alright. Yes.
So I don't necessarily say them are run. I just say them now go medal again.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes.
That's cool.
Yes.
Okay.
Fair.
Can't respect that. Anyway, good to see part of them, not like one skull Orlando Bennett. Always love to see what they brother. You know, you're fully consistent. My consistent red line, I mean.
Yeah.
You see me? They ever did it for you, brother.
I'm rated at you too.
Who that?
You have Orlando and Brabell.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah.
You know, say, me that say, me that love to see the line up. For you, boy, man, Vashan, man.
Yeah.
I want sick herd line up, brother.
Yeah.
Man, very technical, bro.
Yeah, very technical.
Very good earlier, brother.
Yeah.
You see me? Right now, me think if dog get him body right and get him mind right, brother, him could have been one next superstar in the herders, bro. Yeah. You see me? And just have to just get him mental and him body.
You feel like say by the time he graduate, he must do a year and see?
Like, what you mean?
Post collegiate.
But I want to see the progress first. Like, yeah.
So you
but me not see him do a full season.
No, you not do a
since
high school.
Good one now. Me need him best do a complete a full season, indoor, outdoor.
So right. Just do the outdoor.
Alright, give me an outdoor then.
Alright.
Give me an outdoor, a full outdoor.
And come at trials.
Come at trials
right.
and come and show something.
Yeah.
Show, brother.
I really talk.
Yeah.
Vashan.
Yeah, man, Vashan, man. Come on, man, brother. We see that there. See, we have a athlete them, brother. You see me?
We have them.
Yeah. Just mind, forget right, body, forget right.
Yeah.
And they out there, bro. In a full force, brother, cause Orlando Bennett,
Brad
Bell.
Yeah.
Even if he get himself right.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Cause him right this around.
Yeah.
Cause the party go step out. And then him did have to come fill the void. There's a 3 man did this.
I don't think that's how I'm close to compete, but he might go step out too.
He might go, yeah.
No, he might go eventually retire.
Yeah.
You can't deny the man. The man gave the first gold medal in the hurdles, regardless of the fact.
Me never said nothing.
Oh, 2 years said. You see me?
Because, alright, let's touch it. Since we calling him right there.
Yeah.
Me can't, it's another man that me can't bet pan.
The man win, dog. The man never name a medal we not have.
But listen, alright. Me understand. So when he just start hurlers, boom, the man when he just turn pro, and they win all I meet them and world champs or whatever. After that, he man just start drop every minute, brother.
Some problem there.
No, so over every meet. So, I want mental game, you know, so you have to get over it, bro. You know what I say? Me understand, say you have to jump over obstacles, but that are one obstacles they need to jump over right now.
That's true.
You see me? You have a big top hurdler, brother.
Yeah.
You see me? Represent the country, give us the gold medal for many occasions.
Start on the same 4x1.
Yes, You know what I say?
Yeah.
So, them little mental barriers there. No pun intended, because some in front of you and some there, you see me.
Yeah.
You have to know go back to your drawing board, reassess yourself and know how to get over the same obstacle, you see me?
True.
So that's why I say, yo, me can't put my money upon him right now until he showcase me.
No, me not say right now, me I say, him and Pachi want to Monday, we are eventually.
Yeah.
That me I
but,
say, me.
But him did that come, Pachi was older than him.
Yeah,
by far.
Yeah, but in my opinion, and that's just my opinion, at some, bro, me not think Omar will go 2 more years, dog. I don't think so.
I mean,
I don't think so personally.
Based on the progression we're in Japan right now, I mean, that'd be a good time to pack it up then.
Yeah, retire, not pack it up, retire.
You know what I mean, bro. Don't get technical.
Alright. Can't pack it up so I can say, just put that in a box and dash it.
No. Retired, sorry.
Cheyenne, she get 6 in her hurdles today, same meet, 54.95. Femke ball, she has stay over Europe, 52.24 she run. Bro. The rest of the rough still.
Yeah.
Forget 6 around 54 and this money with 52. Close.
Bro.
Close.
They heard this. I want a tricky event, brother.
Tricky man.
I thought about the 400 hard.
The 400 not hard, brother. Any 400 earlier we tell us, hard than the 400.
Yeah. But
it's a rhythm game, man.
Yeah. I mean, Cheyenne always short, brother.
Yeah.
Cheyenne always short. Me not to worry about Cheyenne.
No, sir.
And I say, me always a CR.
Yeah.
And me always, bro.
Yeah.
So me have to. She had one athlete, she and the other one, what's she name?
Clayton, Russell Clayton.
And then the other one is
Anjanette.
We have a feel athlete them, bro. We are short now, cause she run good at it. Anjanette run good at it. Yeah.
Anjanette, I think she do the same cool out to we recommend, cause she did hot in her, bro.
Yeah.
Like coach just say, all right.
Yeah, man. You know what, burn up.
Yeah. Speaking of that, you did mention it with Jordan.
Yeah.
I say if they in coach,
that cool him. I cool him if you go cool like brother.
Yeah, how you talk?
Yeah, I mean look how much jump him a jump, brother. I'm hot. True. Oh, you're driving a car, brother. I'm born of engine, brother. Cool it down, look a bit, man. Because what you done have the confidence already. You don't know, say, okay, I have some day in my season. You can back off, look a bit and recuperate and get some additional recovery. You know, say, any aches and like a pain you feel. Yeah. Get them there, brother. And then come back and ready for your road again.
Real.
Yeah, but maybe Lisa go jump one more time.
More like the final probably.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You have to jump it. I think you have to compete at final for winning.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think they change the rule.
And you done win already?
No, I think the rule is like, remember specifically what I say, like, you can come and win diamond final.
And win overall?
Win overall. Yeah, I think no one did win diamond final after that already.
What?
Yeah, that's changing. Yeah.
That's messed up.
It's messed up. I think I something like a something, never saw directly, but I something like that. Bro.
So why point system there for?
I remember why point system for?
We will go touch back on that.
Yeah, we go touch back on. Yeah, but make you know that coming. Yeah. We don't really too know about the rules and things.
Oh, that would be crazy, bro.
Yeah,
May I jump all season on the lead?
I think so, bro.
Maybe I want deterrent to make sure so you come my final. Because since you already a lead, you don't have a show up or something. But okay. Yeah. But not just become win the final and win overall. Maybe final, maybe winner get more points. For that meter. Maybe yeah. Me not sure. So hold on.
Yeah.
Big boy, another 400 run today.
Oh, we can talk about it right now. Yeah, big up yourself, big boy. I don't know anything set 1-2 bands, isn't it? One Gavi, one Jamaica, bro. What did you run again? Did you run 45-2, I think it was.
Oh, good.
45-1-2. Yeah, they'll get 5th.
Hard race, you know?
Hard race, cause Richards get second, 44-1 something. Yeah.
Hard race, man, 1-2 or something. And boy, and see man broke national record with 44-1-7 come fourth.
44-7.
44, yeah.
Yeah. Boy, big boy.
So close, but so far.
The one afar.
Yeah.
45-1 is far.
Yeah.
Far, man.
No, I mean so close at trials.
Oh.
But so far? No. You know what I mean? I say, man could have get the job done long time. And they are going easy and if you run so hard, brother.
Like your dog overthink.
I overthink, brother. You know, see what I'm going. Brother, can't believe this, no.
Can't believe this,
I have to take bad things back, joke. Because it was right there, brother.
Yeah.
was right there. God said, see it there. And you say, this will come back later. Yes, sir. That's why they say, bro, as they say that, you know, save the best piece of chicken for last.
My ginger. Cheers,
Yo, cause I did the time there when it jumping over
bro, brother, big boy, I want to pick up for you, I want to believe in you, dog, but me I tell you, bro.
Brother,
you never make it easy, dog.
Brother,
you never make it easy, bro. You want to make it easy, dog?
I know. Yo, I want. Alright, we have more time.
About 2 weeks or so, I think.
2 weeks.
No, about 3. I think it started September 13.
We have some change, but camp so start.
But camp not that long, bro.
Yeah.
And you know MVP probably going camp, brother.
Yeah.
But they have their own camp. They live in Europe.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
Bro.
Go figure it out, brother.
Yeah, you have to go figure that one out.
Brother, go on short track meet and qualify.
Yeah.
That may recommend, right?
Alright, go on Bush League. Go on Bush League meet there where you can run comfortable.
Yeah.
Because maybe to be fast man in the race and he must say, yo, you know what I mean? Aside and take him out there in race plan.
If you don't get the qualifying mark, you know, brother, you might have to go retire.
You rich?
No, because, brother, in survive a lot of things, brother.
Yeah.
But this one was given with grace.
Yeah.
And him flick it away just like you said, brother. God give him on a platter.
Come on.
And the man say, no, me no want, you know, that.
Just brother. Like how flicker everything else.
Yeah.
And the man just did a build back in trust with Jamaica, brother.
That me I say.
Yeah.
Man get the whole like, brother.
God no.
And then, which me agree with what you said in the interviews. Them I say, yo, people have said this and that and get it qualified. Yo, we appreciate it. Like, it's not looking too good, bro.
Yo, I mean, I want to get it, but brother. If you not get it, brother, you go get some beat, man. Yeah, man, you go get some beat, man.
Even if you're not really ranking right now, I couldn't even tell him.
No.
I couldn't even tell him.
No, man, you know, say, I'll be a hot time I run, brother.
Yeah.
You see me? I say, I'll be a hot time I run, brother. You see, man, I run 4th, I broke national record.
You see me?
I run 44 and anything there.
You see me, bro? Boy.
What you do? I know it's about me, no, brother.
It's rough. It's rough, man.
Right there.
Rough.
But anyways, come on, get it together, man, big boy. We need you out there in the flat 4.
Yeah, bro.
We need you. Alright. So
you know I look good, bro. Believe in you still, but you know make it easy at all. That mean I give you that, brother. I give you that, brother.
But we want to see him succeed, though.
No, man, him a fee. He not a chance. He not a chance because he wait a nation upon him.
Yeah, man.
The other time I run slow.
You have to go carry.
Yeah.
Listen. You have to fault. You could have
yeah.
Man could have run out today and nobody not really worried. They weren't that. Nobody no business, brother. You have your lane secure, bro. And cock up your foot and a poolside and drink your pina colada or whatever and relax. But no, you're under pressure. Whole leap. Plus, you put yourself under pressure now because you always reflect back to the day where they say, watch a man could have get it from this, you know. Yeah. And but me go show about.
Yeah.
But me go shh. Right now you need to shh. Give you some fast time.
Alright, I'll find out. But it's I'm looking at her son. What's her name? Akila Smith. Where she go? She should go Edwin and she go Texas. Yeah, Texas. She get second in a long jump, I think. So we can't find him.
Oh, she did go pro?
Yeah, man, she go pro, man. Sign pro, man. Be a things, brother. Yeah, bro.
When I see her for a season now.
Yeah, I don't know what that go on. It look like something that go on.
When if she go start do the double?
Long and triple?
Yeah. Me think
she should.
Bro, she's a better triple jumper to me.
You know, say something about coaches when them triple jumper is good, they make them turn long jumper. I see the route.
No, naturally.
Why that, bro?
Because I see him jumping. Because if your long jump improve, you see me, you improve your triple jump as well. Especially your last phase. Because a lot of people have a tendency for when they hop, skip, jump, and they might go down in the sand, then just drop their leg on something quick. But once you learn off a long jump and off a navigate the part there jump, it help you with the triple jump. You see me?
So even though a different like pounding.
Yeah, you know it's different. No, because you always go get back on the same position where you take off from. Okay. Yeah, you always go get back on the leg the way you do long jump with.
Okay.
Yeah. That's your last phase, you just get up.
Yeah.
So I say, you know, do it chipper. Just say I go do a long one. It help you improve your jump phase.
Yeah. She get second.
What's your jump?
Yeah, 667.
667.
Yeah, girl name Clear.
Not bad.
Yeah,
yo, let me tell you, brother. 6. They be a one-time thing, brother.
Yeah.
Them the thing they now see pour them brother. For you man them they want them a fly bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah, well, upon the day still bro.
Yeah.
Jumps to me come like hurdles bro.
Yeah.
I can't scratch.
Yeah.
I can't scratch.
Brother, yeah, I tell you say, it jumps is harder than the 100 meter.
No, we're not going to tell you. Not even one time. Not even one time. Who else? Money, she get what? Money at US at least. Money get 4,659. Money. And even jump better, big man thing. Or a piano, 6'9".
Me think but she have one winning at 7 meter.
Alright, we don't talk about that. The PR 6'9", 7", I think. Brother, you are a top class jumper, brother. You are going like say innate more than anybody else, brother. You can't do that, bro.
That's some personal, man.
Personal, brother. You see a dog named Grimes. Big up Grimes. Take your clutch and go win trials. Yeah, bro. That not nice.
Nice, man.
If I was Money, I'd not nice, bro.
What mean clutch? Take your clutch.
I must say more clutch, bro.
A clutch is them.
Money ever make team point last jump, you know?
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, me get what you said. Oh, yeah. More clutch. Okay, yeah.
Grimes take that in, bro.
Yeah. But bear in mind that meat they did hot, brother.
This a meter?
No, try US.
Yeah, it's always a god.
Yeah, man. That did hot, brother.
Yeah, but regardless, Money is an Olympian.
Yeah.
A medalist.
Right.
What are we supposed to do with that? She's sponsored by Puma. Come on, like, is she a scrub? The girl named Clear than a sponsor. She has to clear more hungry than Money.
So
Clear than a sponsor.
Okay, yeah, true.
Yeah, not an excuse for that, brother.
Yeah, man. Okay, Money, come on, we need.
See her jump. You see me? We know what she capable of, brother. You see me?
Therefore, we get it together, man.
Yeah,
then,
me not like that. Me not like that. Two of them can't jump together and jump good. Big up yourself, Grimes.
Yeah, you want to name the hoodall thing they
yeah. Two of them can't compete well. Listen me.
Yeah.
We cheered off and who win for who not win. What's it nice on this weekend? Kieran McLeod get 5th in a long jump. I'm gonna phone as a brother.
Fine jump.
Tell him. 796.
796.
Talk to me now. You know more jump.
So me did see when him jump.
Second jump.
So I think I decide second time I jump on season.
I'm not sure, maybe.
Me not really I see him a lot on the circuit.
But you don't know why.
Me not understand.
Yeah.
There's something I feel about now when I got KC, you know. Zane. But
and Garvey, let's talk about Garvey myself. KC was just like, you know, like iPhone, brother.
Yeah.
Made in China, assembled in California.
Yeah.
That one. Made in Garvey, assembled
in KC. Alright, fair enough.
Yeah.
So, me not really see him a lot on the circuit this year.
Yeah.
Especially
national champion at that.
Yeah. Me don't know how I go on.
Yeah.
Me not see him left Arkansas, but in coach them left. So me don't know if he really have a coach right now or who a coach him.
He must have a coach, but who a coach my question.
Yeah.
Yeah, he must have a coach.
To put up a plan, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Because as one point, me kind of hear say my coach himself, but me couldn't believe that.
You know, you might not wrong, you know.
Man,
you might not wrong.
Me not roll such a dice, bro. As a pro athlete and coach myself like that, bro. As a then caliber athlete, bro.
Yeah, as a young athlete, cause older athlete, you know.
Yeah.
But as a young athlete.
But not for the jumps, bro. The jumps more technical, dog. Yes, cause watching. So, okay.
You need an eye.
Yeah. So, what you go do? You out there jump a field there, is a jump there. What me go do? Catch my phone up, so. And stays every time I run and jump.
Suppose you have a DJI. We're just tracking so.
Man, don't got that, brother.
You don't know.
Man, don't got that, bro.
You don't know.
You just have to be optimistic, but I love it. I love it. You out there with the phone, for instance. You go out there. You have a comeback tap. Why you could have get 1-2 rep in here, take up phone and go. I mean, that take up too much time. You know what I mean?
You must have a coach, man. You carry must have a coach, bro.
And then things where you see, cause you might be tired, you go to your reps and something.
Yeah.
You need a fresh pair of eyes. They say, yo, you're not gonna break down your thing them until you good
Days
enough.
later.
Until you're good until days later. So
Yeah.
hopefully you have a coach.
More likely have a coach.
What and better.
Yeah, more likely.
But you need to jump some more, man.
Yeah.
Me not see my jump a lot.
Yeah.
Man, come on, Kier Skull, man. If they have flick outs on 8:34 them there.
Bro.
Come on, Kier Skull, man.
Or you need to talk or make you know if you're hurt or not, brother. You depend on social media every day, brother.
He man not hurt.
You don't feel like you?
No, sir.
Alright.
I don't feel say hurt, bro. You
So-
see me? Me feel say the iron, if you sharpen the iron instinct, na did it.
Oh,
You get me?
yeah.
Cause remember say,
Him used to.
you used to do in a one
so if
group.
you not compete, him have like the man them with
Yeah,
the jump.
you know what I mean? I say, so if you did it alone,
Yeah.
as a jumper,
Motivation.
the motivation, bro, it hard to train alone, you know.
Man, I know. I know.
You know what I mean? I say,
know.
you need to grow on fire, bro.
Yeah.
Fire. If you not there on fire, you go get too
Soft.
complacent and
Cool.
composed, you know, and
Yeah.
cool up.
Yeah.
You need somebody for,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? I say, bro.
Taj, Tata Gale, Taje, 786.
It's very unpredictable athlete, bro.
Yeah. You believe in him?
No.
Alright, that's cool.
No, bro. I'm gonna tell you why. He's a good jumper.
Yeah.
But for believe in him, like say, yo, me can count on him on the day.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, me agree with that.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
No. It's too unpredictable. And
Yeah.
me can't manage it.
I agree with that.
But it's a good athlete.
Yeah.
He can give a medal.
Yeah.
From jump at 860.
Yeah, something like that. So
From him flick out.
2019.
Yeah, from him flick out that big jump there. But from that, me not really see him.
He get hurt, man.
He get hurt.
Get
Must.
hurt.
But he bounce back, cock up a bit. Me see man go over 8 meters.
Yeah. Change our coach and go to Coach Ricketts.
Yeah, and coach Richie got
Good coach.
Good coach, man.
Yeah.
You see me? So hopefully they have a plan.
Yeah, man, they must have a plan.
Yeah, come.
Ricketts, that man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So,
Ricketts.
cause for him wife, brother, no podium, no miss.
Yeah, I read that, man.
And she up on tip top form right now.
For real.
See 15 meter, yeah, brother. I bet say jump 15 meter.
Man, jump it. This year?
Yeah,
Alright.
this year, bro.
Alright.
I swear. 15
Yeah,
meter
no,
come.
it's
Yeah, man. She go flick out it, brother.
I doubt it, man.
Let me tell you, he doesn't need to hold their leg there a little longer, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just drop it. Yeah, he love drop their foot them like, and lean out there jump. See, when he hold it on his ears, dead, man. He go jump with me. She tough, bro.
Yeah, tough, man.
And-
Consistent.
And she had to do this for a long time, bro.
Muscle memory.
Bro,
Muscle of fire.
most of them they are fire, man.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Speaking of firing, Mondo. That's a world record, brother.
Hey, yo, listen, Mondo is a cheat code, bro. There is no yo. When me mids, you know, if you realize every meet, you know, when if you set the bar, even if one team broke your world record,
Yeah.
in top.
Yeah,
And then next bar, so I think everywhere record of money, you know.
Yeah.
So him just a scoop and say next meet break that again.
Yeah.
1 cent, and you now go up now 1 centimeter, you know. Just what? I say
Wise, man.
a good thing
Wise,
that,
he
but
wise.
I scoop up everything.
Everything.
The man I say, yo, me now go put no bar up. Now
Yeah.
5 centimeter higher and then jump over that.
Yeah.
Why me can't jump over it?
Right now.
5 different time.
Brother, only athlete right now. We're limitless, brother. Literally, man, limitless, brother.
Brother,
Me not think, me think, in my mind, me think he know how far he can go.
I do.
Yeah, think he know how far he can.
I be a chicken crowd, brother. Yeah.
Magic Puma, man. Sorry for Puma. This is my put out one tweet that say, "Yo, Puma, if I beg him for tap." Yo,
Brother, man, broke it.
Yo.
I think about 3 times man broke your record this year.
yeah, maybe this
For this year.
brother. She's peace, brother.
I think it, 628.
Tall,
Hi, brother.
brother.
And man,
629, brother.
29.
29.
You know, and the man I make it look like a something easy.
Brother and butter.
Come like height now if you do nothing with it.
Nothing,
The man just man climb a pole.
brother.
God. But him not that broke their record.
No, sir.
Me
No
think.
one of them man we can go on forever.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause they not gonna beat him. And plus a low impact.
Yeah.
Low impact. Very, literally man a low and sponge. Low
Listen,
impact.
him man have no competition, brother.
Yeah.
That's I think, brother. Like,
Alright,
it's
so
unfair, bro.
No, That's unfair, brother. That's not unfair, brother. That's like as for Sydney. I already forward is unfair, brother. Nah, bro. Yo, if you're good, you're just good, brother. You just got it, bro.
That's true, bro.
You just got it.
Well, man, I say, brother, man, just man, they come like he come from a different dimension, brother.
Yeah, no, in tough.
You know what? That's why they might name him after a track. Maybe what a track he come from.
Yeah,
Real Mondo for too.
Mondo for real.
Yeah, man.
Bouncy, man.
Bouncy. Tough piece of boy, man.
Tough, man. Yeah, man. You see thing with Julian? You must say Julian must say hurt or something like that.
No, him.
Julian Alfred.
Oh yeah.
She not hurt, man. You see me? Reach out to his sources, them. She not hurt.
She not hurt.
Yeah. Our manager.
Yeah. Oh, look a stunt.
Yeah. I know stunt, man, but we don't know what they want to talk about, brother. She not hurt though. So that we want to say she not hurt.
Okay, good. Because we don't want her to hurt.
Yeah.
Right now, brother, me don't want none of the females. We have to line up.
Yeah.
In a World Champs final, me don't want no injuries. I want this be a injury-free meet.
Clean fight.
Right to the end.
Yeah.
Like Chucky.
Me
want to see line up, want to see tension.
Yeah.
Want to see crowd and raise and everybody behind the TV who for did it.
Yeah.
And we just hold VIP 10 seconds out. What?
Yeah, man, take a fire him.
Yeah, man.
Take a fire him. I hope that Tokyo put on a good show.
Yeah. They will.
Believe.
I think that this a World Champs, definitely feel exciting.
Yeah.
This one what me I say I go on right now.
It's nice, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
The track feel nice this year. Bouncy.
Brother. Oh my God. See, speaking of bouncy, me see I don't have to do bouncy still. She gotta go apologize.
Yeah, me watch the video twice. Me not hear no apology.
Brother, she does attack.
Yeah, apology?
No, she does attack, brother. She have a little grin in her side of her mouth. Yes, brother. Bro, that girl is a bad girl, brother. That girl was from Jamaica. She get her, brother. Yeah? Girl living in some garrison. Girl, yo. You know what Tina da? Look on the girl, brother. The girl just reach out right now, but guess what? She gets, bro.
No, you say we give him some grace.
Yeah, but I'm argumenting there right now. I'm argumenting there right now, dog. Believe you me. A fool she's going. Yo, me respect it, you know. So she apologized.
Yeah. Me not hear no apology.
I respect she put out a statement.
Yeah.
You see me? But it could do better.
Yeah, because she put out a statement.
Yeah. I just feel like.
I mean, me think she should have prompted the statement though.
She probably did.
It didn't seem prompt to me.
You don't feel so?
No, it seemed more on the spot freestyle.
On the spot.
Yeah.
Even better then, because you get her from the heart.
It seemed, as you say, she did a green, she did this.
To me, she was one uncle green did it.
Yeah, like she don't care.
When she not care about, but she like.
Oh.
Yeah, you see me.
I mean, but she, alright, she for one, she did come out, take accountability for the situation.
Yeah.
You know, so that's good. Well, we take away the good from it. You see me? She did come out, said okay, you know, that no represent her.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I say she bigger than that.
Yeah.
Emotions get high. Yeah. She could have dealt with the situation better.
I mean, she did apologize to her man. She said, she said like, she said, she's sorry to Christian Coleman. She come in her life and make she do better and blah blah blah. But but she, I think what you say, she not apologize for like the situation.
Oh, okay.
She apologize to her man for sure.
Okay.
You see me?
No, that good, but
bro.
Good that she just come and just kind of clear the air. Kind of just barely touch on it, which she never have to.
Yeah.
Really.
I think she should have.
Yeah, of course. You know. Yeah.
Yeah, she's a superstar.
And she's a superstar.
Yeah.
Big celeb. That's what I said last week, brother. Me expect better.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Too much things up on the line, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, big superstar. Whole heap of little kids look up to you.
Yeah.
I
think she have a dolly, you know, and Barbie, you know.
All the little thing there, you know. Yeah. People are buy action figure.
True.
And then little thing there, bro. You have to know if Lego certain things, man. True. You know what I say? Yeah. You have to grow as an athlete, brother. Yeah. And the little thing, the little controversy we are come with for the little days, you know, you build upon that, you reach this level, let's just start expand now.
True.
You know what I say? Let's not stuck here with that buckle.
True.
You know what I say, brother? But good thing in come to the public and just share what she feel. I mean, she alone know if she mean it or not, but me accept it.
Yeah, me accept it.
Yeah, me accept it. Yeah, me accept it.
Last thing maybe, I don't know if you want to touch upon it, but we kind of want to touch upon it. You see, allegations are getting Fred Curly.
Yeah.
I don't want to read the statement, because I read the statement, just kind of save it on my phone.
Yeah, how is it?
Come from the law offices of Howard L. Jacobs, you see me? That's how Fred Curly has already notified the AAU that he intends to contest the allegation that he has violated the anti-doping rule related to whereabouts failure, as he strongly believes that one or more of his alleged mistests should be set aside either because he was not negligent or because the doping control officer did not do what was reasonable under the circumstances. Dog, not full stop, brother. To locate him at his designated location, brother. No full stop, brother. I'm literally just show you that. The man does a chat along, so brother. One comma after failure, one anyway. Fred will not comment further at this time out of respect for the process, comma, and look forward to presenting his case to the appointed hearing panel. Brother, no full stop, dog. Messing on dog. I'm too messy, brother.
I'll just be a comma with you.
Be a comma, dog.
Okay.
Imagine yourself that person, dog. Yo.
Alright.
Yeah, dog.
But alright, you have more. Alright, you have more experience when it comes on to a whereabouts thing. When me did it in our pool, me just submit to me there and just worry if me left and go somewhere else. Cause I could bother if I go and they go change it all the time. You know what I say? But since I'm a professional athlete, we're there on the global stage. I think it's more serious than ICM thing. Exactly. Okay.
Yeah, but based on me here, my dog gonna reach out to him and tell me say, the dog say him never been updating me about cause he don't run.
Yeah.
That make no sense. Cause me never drug testing see me. He still updated with Ford for some reason. I don't know why, see me, but he wants to say, yo, me not compete with me. Me not in season. Me not supposed to get no in season violation, dog. You see me?
Okay, so explain that part there. So
in out season, out fall training, my background.
Yeah, when out of competition.
Yeah. Then can test you, but it not necessarily count towards anything, brother.
Oh.
Yeah. If you're in season, you compete and then catch it in there, so you get.
Oh. Yeah, so like in a fall, and if they catch you with nothing, it not really count.
Like weed.
Yeah.
The company should not be counted against you.
Okay.
Yeah, if they catch you within the time period.
Okay.
But if they catch you within, like obviously January or December or something like that, so you can't get banned for that.
So lad, what if you have medical exempt for weed?
Ooh. If I hear about that?
I mean,
me never hear about that.
You can have, they give you like a card.
Medical, brother. I even think say.
But we don't make you run slow or fast, make you run faster.
Yeah, but according to them is a masking agent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
I even think you're supposed to have asthma pump as an athlete. Cause it must have something in it like external lungs or something like that. Do you have asthma?
No.
So Mr. have asthma. So what they must say is like it's sitting in a pump, dog, unless you just ear one thing in there.
Yeah.
The type of ear in there, it like expand your lungs, so you get more ear. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. So that they must say like.
That's crazy.
But I don't know, brother.
So what do you think about this situation then?
I don't think him do no drugs personally.
Yeah.
You see me? I don't know how serious but say he say I think then say he missed three a whole heap.
Yeah.
I not telling a lie. You see me? Would I try? I say two that alright, but three is a lot, brother. I not lie.
Three seem like you're dodging me now.
Yeah. You get me? I say, bro, three look like a whole heap to me, bro. I don't know.
What? First one, me say okay.
Yeah.
What if you know say yo second one? Yeah. Update the thing and roll screw. You know what I'm saying? So, then me say second one.
And then a
third one.
Yeah, no man.
So me not say.
If I compete or not.
Yeah.
Take it test, brother.
Yeah.
Believe you me.
But they stop compete after the whole situation they got on my
Yeah, I think compete after that. Yeah. So
you just say that okay, in done in season.
Pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
But you never come with a US trials. I mean, you have a case then.
It's a grey area still, no, bro, because it's still technically in season.
Oh, you're right. So you could have get up back and say, I'm going to run tomorrow.
Yeah, you see me?
So you can't, okay.
You can't really
that, yeah. It's sticky, but you still have a story based
on
the result them after the whole Grand Slam thing.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. Me see the boss post up in ticket and say one team breeze, so what going on?
Oh, in post it?
Me not see him. I can't be on Twitter, so what going
That one the man need the money, brother. Then gone quiet now still. Gone quiet.
But good though. But yeah man, trees are rich. Yeah. If you take care of that. Hope say nothing really big no come out of it, brother. Cause me don't want to see a lead them and get banned, brother.
Yeah, that's some petty thing,
Some petty thing. And the ban, me think say when them a come within decision, brother, for banning athlete, them bro, them a come with some heavy sanction, brother.
But that's a jail standard, brother.
Yo, brother, I don't that serious, bro. Brother, I don't that serious.
That's real, man. But why? It's like you must set an example out there, brother.
Brother, the deterrent can't be so high, bro. Like I must say, like a life sentence, dog.
Yeah,
bro.
Them take this thing to a different level, brother. I mean, I like you at all, brother.
Brother,
because if a man really and truly have drugs in the system, then yes, I can understand.
Yeah.
Brother, missing we about, brother, you ban a man for 2 years, that don't give proof for 2 years. You don't have no proof, you know, bro. But still send my guy to jail, bro. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro. Big up your AIU still.
Yeah.
Don't contest me. But
them can't test.
Yo, but anyway, Levell, more. World Jamaican call big boy say me, big up on yourself.
Yeah, big up on yourself. We want more. Big up on yourself. Remember to like, share, subscribe. You know what's over there.
But this one, if I can't do this again, please jump on next one Sunday, brother. It's an emergency meeting. It's an emergency reasoning. What the call it, bro?
Yeah, man.
Big up on yourself. Give thanks. Soon again, right?
Outside.
25.